everybody, we're on our way to the store. We got to get Annie some food. It's dire straits here. She couldn't hardly stand it last night because she was out of food. This car's being very, very safe. Hey everybody, it's grocery day today. So, excuse me, we'll check out the refrigerator. We still have water. Lucky. We got some Sam's Cola back there. Still got some milk and my sausage, egg, and cheese muffin, or sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit that I ate half of just now. And in the sack is a breakfast burrito and a hash brown. Yeah, because we've already been to the store because it was time. I got up late and I had to get there. What do we got here? We have sour cream in the back and some Blue Bonnet and some diced onion and some cheese singles in there. What's this? This is, tuna salad. Me and Annie had a snack last night at midnight. I made tuna with mayonnaise and celery salt. Miracle Whip, beef bouillon, a ranch dip we're hanging on to, my mustard, horseradish sauce, tartar sauce. We got leftovers from Easter. I thawed out ham and some meatballs in sauce. And what's this? This is sauteed apples with cinnamon for my oatmeal. A couple orange wedges. And what's this? This is my oatmeal. And what's that? Oh, last night I made fish. And I didn't know what side to have with it, but I had some minute rice in the freezer, and I had the broccoli cauliflower stuff from Easter I just thawed out, so I just put some of that with my minute rice, and yeah, made it taste good. And all the condiments: mayo, jelly, Parmesan, dill pickles, Tabasco, pepper jelly, lemon, what is that? Clear syrup, chili garlic paste, sesame oil, oyster sauce, Thai chili sauce, fish sauce, sriracha in the back, and down here, teriyaki sauce, hoisin sauce, soy sauce, 57 sauce, Country Bob's sauce, Worcestershire sauce, barbecue sauce, Texas Pete, ketchup, salsa, and a tiny bit of maple syrup. Okay, that's the fridge. What's in here? 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles of chicken broth, some grits, nothing on the top shelf, my fish sticks, some peppers and onions, some leftover Cool Whip. What's this? This is some chicken and dressing and green beans, Dorito casserole, that's the last one of that. This is my chicken pot pie and dumplings leftovers. I got a couple sausages. What's that? Bacon. Tomato sauce. My roasted garlic. Banana. This is ham broth. And some black-eyed peas. And this is ham bones from the ham hocks that I can still get some bone broth off of. And we already saw the onion blend. So, this is ham hock broth. And that is too. So, got plenty of ham broth. I'm gonna have to quit making broth. Okay. Let's check the pantry. There's a good girl that got to go with me to the town. Yeah, didn't you, Annie? You got to go with me to the town? What's in here? Charcoal lighter fluid, instant potatoes, baking mix, some more minute rice, and Rice Krispies, some Celentano pasta, spaghetti, and then the little tiny fideo pasta. What I got here? Oh, my lentils. My orange sugar-free Jell-O, my popcorn, brown sugar, old-fashioned oats, brown flour, whole wheat flour I should say, self-rising flour, some shells I need to use up. What's that? Powdered sugar, masa flour. That one's empty. Empty, empty, empty. White rice. Pimentos. Can of chicken. Pinto beans. Cream corn. 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Panko breadcrumbs. And some chicken noodle soup. And evaporated milk and mayo. What's here? Potatoes, an onion, nada, and some vegetable oil. So, we're going to be eating high on the hog this week. And we had to get Annie some dog food because her bowl was clear empty and she was so upset, so I kept feeding her last night because she will come up and stare at me till she has food in her bowl. So I got her some Nutrish, Rachel Ray's small dog food, Nutrish. So she's happy camper today. Okay, we'll start over here by the humming refrigerator. 2 dozen eggs, a small half and half a gallon of 2% milk, a 1 pound block of sharp cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, and half a pound of sliced mild cheddar, some Greek yogurt, some cottage cheese. I got some brats to put on the grill. Got a pound of hamburger, meat. It's 80-20, that's what I always get. And the $11 chicken. Look how big it is, it's huge. How much was it a pound? It was $1.46 a pound. And it weighs 7.36 How much does your head weigh? 8 pounds. How much does a chicken usually weigh? 8 pounds. Just a little bit of information. Some brown and serve sausage. Some of my bologna. And I got a different pizza this time. This is a Tombstone Supreme for a Friday night pizza night. I don't know if I've ever had it before, but I'm going to try it. A loaf of that bakery bread for $1. I just love it. A bunch of green onions, cilantro, 1 tomato, 2 oranges, 2 lemons, 2 limes, 1 sweet potato, 4 bananas. I'm really liking that old-fashioned oatmeal with peanut butter, banana, and honey. It is so good. So good. Alright, and for the pantry, got my coffee. I like the Annie's macaroni and cheese, so I tried a different one this time. This is the shells with real aged cheddar. Some mixed vegetables, a big can of peaches to go with my cottage cheese, 2 cans of green beans, can of mushroom soup, a can of cream of chicken soup. They didn't have Campbell's. And some sweet gherkins. If I ate one of these, I would cough. It would make me cough every single time. But if I grind it up and put it in with bologna and make ham salad, then it doesn't bother me. So that's what it's for. Some ranch seasoning and guacamole seasoning. So I forgot to get avocados, didn't I? Dang. Well, I'll get them next time. And half a gallon of vinegar. Got to clean my coffee pot. Okay, non-food items. Annie's jerky sticks. And she likes the chicken carry-outs. Her poopy bags. And some gravy and like beef stew gravy for her Sunday special meal. So I'll just give her half and then freeze the other half for next week. Got toilet paper and paper towels. And then I got her this Nutrish small breed. I hope she likes it. We'll find out. It's got peas and carrots and looks like rice and chicken. A box of tissues. 2 bags of dishwasher cleaner. Go out and get yourself something. Treat yourself nice because you deserve it. You deserve it. You really do. Talk to you later.
I can feel there is somebody here, and he's watching over me tonight as he takes away my fears. Lets me know there's a heaven up there. Yeah, he's reaching out his hand to me to wash away my tears. Oh, I know you